We never showed the vlog the bar stools.
Oh, yeah.
My mom bought me these and we built them the other day. Finally have a place to sit.
Oh, remember we still didn't even eat dinner on the last night.
I know we didn't. Wait, where did we eat dinner? Oh my god. Look at my grub fit. It's sick, huh? It's a car working outfit. It's cold, huh? Yeah. Turn on mine too. It's raining so hard. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it on the vlog now. Today's the day that I get the Mercedes back, hopefully, if we can fix it in time. I got a haircut later today, so I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, but I think I'm giving myself enough time to get it done. I really like this car, obviously. I love this car, but it's definitely not a car that I would like to daily. I mean, I've been dailying it for like the last week probably, and just kind of at the point where I'm a little bit over it. Want something, like the AMG is nice, but it's a little quieter. It's not as, the AMG is just way easier to drive, and it's more comfortable, and it's automatic, and it's definitely nice to have the balance for sure. This car is sick, but it's loud, it's manual, it's annoying to drive sometimes. It's a stiff clutch, so it'll be fun to get the other car back.
Move the freaking oil cooler.
Did you have to take it somewhere with a lift?
Time to get cracking. Here we go. Nice.
Cords are hanging out of your tires.
Oh, wow.
I'm the freaking corner master. Need to get an alignment so bad.
Yeah, but I mean, look at how bad that tire is. Ready to blow out.
Oh no, you should see my friend's tires. There's some life in those, dude.
Oh!
Well, don't touch it.
It's wire.
There's wire sticking out of it.
This is not looking too hot. I knew it was leaking, but maybe it was leaking a little more than I thought.
Small leak.
Yeah, it's just a tiny leak. It's fine.
It's a drip.
Yeah. That's probably why I was whining louder than the exhaust.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it going, something doesn't seem right. You know what I mean? It's like,
Yeah,
we can't get to it yet.
for sure.
See, this is what I think I have to do to put those pulleys on.
Yeah, probably. Make it a lot
You know,
easier.
It would just, otherwise it's going to be a nightmare.
Of course, a power steering pump has to turn into something that's way more difficult than it should have been. There's bolts on the back of it that are like impossible to get to. I haven't really been vlogging because it's kind of just been frustrating. My dad's still there though. He's gonna try to see if he can get it. I had to leave though because I have a haircut scheduled at 3 and I couldn't change my appointment, so I'm going to that and then I'm gonna head back there after and hopefully be able to get it done, but it's not looking too good. Today's just been a day and I have a horrible headache. It's just not my day today. I like a raging headache and I never get headaches. Ugh. Just got back, just got my hair cut. It's not gelled, so don't make fun of me. This is what it looks like when my hair's not gelled. It looks funny. But shout out Sammy Too Fresh, follow him on Instagram. I just called my dad and he said he actually got the bolts out for it. He's just draining the fluid and he's ready to pull the pump off, so that's dope. Personal mechanic. How's it coming? This thing looks like a pain in the ass. Jesus.
Oh, your hair looks good.
Thank you. It's not gelled, but it's nice and cut.
Yeah.
really see where it's supposed to.
Can I see the flashlight?
Yes.
Yeah, you just start twisting.
Start twisting. I forgot the camera was on. Bingo was his name. Oh. B-I.
NGO?
B-I.
NGO?
B-I.
I'm done.
Okay, I think that's as tight as I'm gonna get it with my fingers.
Well, that was pretty simple and easy.
Yeah, I was actually, no, what I was actually just gonna say is he got the bolts in, so if anybody has the C63 and need their power steering pump replaced, just call Dave. He'll probably do it. He'll just come down to your house, do it for free, and
Do it for free just because it's fun.
he'll just be there and whip it right up in a couple hours. I can just DM me if you want his phone number. He'll get it right. He'll get it done for you.
It's so easy.
People are gonna watch this, be like, "Oh, I guess it's not a bad job."
Oh God. Anybody watching this is horrible.
That's 160 more.
Oh, 30.
See what happens.
Okay, slowly turn it back and forth.
I'll be sick of driving before I even leave. I don't think I showed the vlog. Mint. Those are just my drift spares. Curious to see what these plugs will look like. Hey, bingo. Not too horrible. I guess that's some very exciting content.
It's something.
It is something. My last video I posted was #1 out of the last 10.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, 6K subs too. Come on, guys. What's good?
Ooh.
10K by March. Actually, we're gonna be in the last. No chance.
You better make some videos to post when you're gone.
And we could get some Subi rally content.
Yeah. Last time I did that with Stan's car, I almost wrecked it.
Well, almost. That means you have another chance.
Yeah. Means I'm really good because I didn't.
Yeah. I think that's what that means. So nice to be driving this car. Like I said earlier, the 135 is fun, but it's like a weekend car. It gets so old. I just got home and I just want to take a nap. I'm gonna force myself to go to the gym. I just need to change and wait a couple minutes till I get some motivation in me. I think before we go home, we should hold this button for a little bit. The semi's on bags? Come on now. A little celebration of having the car back. On cords, come on. It's all good. I do love a manual, but there's something to be said about an automatic because it's just so easy. It's so nice. And the V8 torque, it's so smooth. It's so much easier. I guess I've never really driven a manual V8. I don't think I've ever driven one, so that would actually be fun because, I mean, you get the benefits of the torque and it's manual, so maybe I gotta do that. When my traction control's off, I have the ESP light on, and then that triangle comes up when it's completely off. And then people are always in my comments are like, be like, oh, like so many dash lights. It's like, bro, one, that's my tires. And those turn off when the traction control's on, so shut up. Everyone's like, bro, you gotta check engine light. It's like, no, I don't. Camilla's gonna test out her TikTok trend. She just tried it with a water bottle and she claims it's the coolest thing ever. And that's gonna spill for sure. No. Oh, what the hell was that? You have to trim the sides like you did the other one. That's stupid. That did not stop.
Ready?
Yeah. Now that one did kind of work actually.
It did work.
Wait, how sketchy can we get? Wait, hold it. Oh, that's sketch.
Okay, and I can just hold it on the top, not even on the paper towel.
That's crazy actually. Wait. Whoa, feel it.
It's like so like pressurized.
Yeah, that's cool.
Pop it.
Oh, that was gross.
The 124 only has 3. Shit.
What?
I'm dropping my chocolate.
Chocolate like it's hot. Can I bite?
You already took a bite, huh?
No?
Yeah, you did. I did not leave it this halfway empty.
What do you mean?
I caught you.
I started laughing at the camera right when you grabbed it. That was a really good bite.
You bit it.
Sorry.
You're like, I bit it. Have you told them about the crackling?
This is my favorite candle. It literally makes it sound like it's raining outside because it crackles. Hear this ASMR. It gets louder, I swear. I think it actually does though.
Probably.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I can't even talk.
Wait, restart.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like and stay subscribed. Or subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And enjoy the vlogs while you get them because I'm leaving to Alaska in approximately 6 days.
Oh my God.
So they're gonna be gone for 3 months. Peace.